Dollar yen 15-minute time frame. As you can see here, we have a lovely looking wedge pattern that's set up. I love it when we get these wedge patterns and we have 3 touches. These for me are higher probability trades than those that just have 2 touches. So what I want to do is go ahead and delete everything off. Let's do our higher time frame analysis and just have a look at what the market is doing this morning at 9:40 on a Monday. So here we are on the daily time frame, and if we zoom in and just see what price has been doing lately, we rallied up, we pulled back, we rallied up, we saw a nice pullback. However, if I put a structure level in here, we are seeing a reaction at this structure level just here. Looks as though we're double bottoming, though we've got no RSI confirmation, and if we just look left, we can see that this is an area where we have seen a reaction in the past. Not a double bottom for me, but certainly something where we could see a reaction. So let's go to the 240. And what really stood out for me here is this big wick right here. Clear sign here that we're getting a rejection, or at least there's buying pressure down at this level. Let's go to the 60-minute time frame, and if we look at the 60, we've been pretty much rounding out here. So new high, just about a new high, retest of the lows, retest of the lows, lower high, lower low. So indicating here that we could see a move to the downside as we have broken below structure. So a little bit mixed bag of what's going on there in the charts. And if I just zoom in here, you can see that we've got a lovely rally, a lovely pole. I actually had this down as a wedge pattern. Very often though, these triangle, I'm talking about the wrong pair. I'm actually in another trade as well. It was a wedge pattern that's turned into a high and tight flag. So this one is a wedge. You can see that we've got touches on the either side here. That could be up there like that. And you can see that we've got that lovely fluid movement within the channel that I like to see. Targets here are going to be a 127 extension. Let me make sure that that's in the right place. Yep. So let's remove all the fibs other than the 127. Okay, let's bring the orders back on. Now, what we've done here is we have now violated and closed above that structure level. So I can implement risk management here and just reduce down the risk. And so I'm going to go ahead here and reduce the risk to there, just below this swing low here. So this currently means that I am now risking 19 pips for 35, and I am front running the order 1 pip below that 127 fib. And I'm not really too interested in going for extended targets here, so I'm just going to stick here at the 127. I don't have enough confluence to go for those extended targets. And we're back for what I am hopeful is going to be the last part of the video. We've come a couple of pips again from targets here now, so move to break even. Simply now just waiting for this trade to go up and hit for 35 pips. Okay, we're back. I've just resumed the video. We are now 1 pip from targets. Hopefully we can just spike up and fill my sell limit order. This will be a fantastic start to the Monday. This will be 3 for 3 winners on a Monday at 11:25 in the morning now. It's absolutely crazy, but I must say that last week wasn't phenomenal for me, but this week starting off to be a very, very nice week. So there we go, plus 35 pips. Do me a favour, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and also don't forget to give the video a like.